Precision Assembly Incorporated is a company that has been in existence for we're on our 28th year now. We assemble circuit boards, and that's been our core business for the last 27 years. We have a reputation for our quality. We really spend a lot of time on our processes, and we make sure that our product even exceeds the standards or the expectations that are put out to us. And so we are known in the industry for delivering a high quality product above those of our competitors. Our core strength is our people. We really spend a lot of time working on a culture that is employee friendly. We believe in a good work-life balance, and so we focus a lot of our time on making sure that our people are taken care of, because we know that if we take care of our people, we'll take care of our customers as well. I'm really excited about the direction of our company. We are looking to vertically integrate, so right now we're looking at multiple opportunities for divisions that we can become a one-stop shop for many of our customers, where instead of having to subcontract us for circuit boards and subcontract somebody else for cables and other elements that they might have in their processes and in their products, we are trying to take a look at our existing customers and say, okay, what other division can we create so that they bring everything into one house? It'll make it easier for them to deal with just a single supplier instead of multiple suppliers across the board. And so we anticipate that as we continue to expand and continue to try to integrate vertically, that we're going to find even more opportunities to become a much stronger partner for our customers.